Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. This design actually features numbers rather than letters, so the typical grid up of my head that you see in most videos doesn't really matter because numbers are done in a different method. So, for each number you have a set of concentric rings, or in this case hexagons, and those concentric hexagons each denote a decimal place. So in this bigger number we have 1, 2, 3 concentric rings going around a center one. So here's our center one, here's our first space, second space, and third space. So this has 3 digits. And then this thicker one here, this thicker one is the decimal point. So we have something in the tens place, something in the ones place, and something in the point ones place. Whereas this one, we have our outer circle, and we have our thickest ring, or full circle in this case, in the center, and that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So this is in the ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column. So yeah, let's go ahead and read this. So we start typically at the bottom and go counterclockwise, but for numbers that really doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and take a look at this number here. So in the outermost ring, there are 1, 2 lines passing through. So that makes this the number 2 in the thousands place. And then this next one has absolutely nothing crossing over it. So there is nothing in the hundreds place. And then this next one, we have another 1, 2 lines. So that makes it another 2 in the tens place. And then lastly, in this last ring, we have a circle. And those circles, either dots like filled in or open circles like this, count for 5. So this is a 5 in the ones place. So 2, 0, 2, 5. So 2025 is this number here. And then this number here, going around the outer bit, we have 1, 2 lines passing through it. So that would be a 2. And then in this one, we have 1 plus this 5. So that totals 6. So 2, 6, and then here's our decimal point, so point, and then 1, 2, 26.2. So yeah, that is how those numbers work, and I also wanted to show off these sketches a little bit of many different ways we could write this. So here's the one we just redid, and then this one, we have one big number circle here, so this is the 2025, 2025, and then the decimal point in the middle, and then this one is the 2, 6, and then the decimal point 2 here in the corner. Inside one contained sentence circle. This is the 2025, and this is the 26.2. This one, we have the 26.2, and then this 2025 is just done as a partial little stack here with the 2025. And then this one, we have our circle going around here, and we have 1, 2 lines here for the 2, nothing here for the 0, 2, 5, 2025, and then this one is the 2, 6.2. So yeah, those are those designs and how you can put the numbers together a bunch of different ways and get a bunch of different looking designs, and how hexagons still work because it's just about concentric circles or rings or hexagons. So yeah, that is that design. I hope this video makes sense. I hope you like it. Thanks, bye, and congrats on the marathon.